carpets professionally cleaned at the end of a tenancy, yes or no? Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management. So, do carpets need professional cleaning at the end of a tenancy? Well, that's a really good question. Section 40 of the Residential Tenancies Act, Tenants' Responsibilities, states that tenants must leave the premises in reasonable and clean and tidy condition. So, what does the law mean, reasonably clean and tidy? Sometimes determining what reasonably clean and tidy is can be difficult because we all have different living standards. A vacate checklist with a cleaning task reminders is a great tool to use. So back to carpets. If they are in the same condition as when its tenants moved into the property, considering normal wear and tear, no stains, smells or any other issues, landlords can't expect or make tenants commercially clean carpets. You can't write clauses into tenancy agreements that conflict with the Act. The Tenancy Tribunal may consider such clauses unenforceable, meaning they have no effect, and in some cases these clauses may amount to an unlawful act. Clauses likely to be unenforceable are clauses that ask a tenant to do more than the Act requires them to do, try to remove or reduce the tenant's rights, or give the landlord more rights, invade requirements of the Act. Some tenants will view it as reasonable and agree to get carpets professionally cleaned. Still others will only view carpets as reasonably clean with a good vacuum. So ensure you know what you can and cannot do as a landlord regarding the Act. Hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easy for landlords is what we do.